ICE January Brent dropped 0.6% to $64.50. Top 5 forces moving crude oil prices on November 4, 2025. First, Russian export surge. Russian seaborne crude exports rose to 4.11 million barrels per day in October from 3.77 million. Drone damage to refineries lifted available crude supply for export. Second, sanctions race. A U.S. sanctions window allows existing Russian contracts until November 21. India and China face growing tanker queues, with 19 ships waiting to unload. Third, peak oil timeline shift. TotalEnergies now sees global oil demand plateauing near 2040, not 2030. The company expects consumption to climb from 103 to 108 million barrels per day. Fourth, Venezuela output pullback. Venezuela's crude output slipped to 1.1 million barrels per day in October, down 40,000 barrels per day. Orinoco Belt assets led production, with key JV volumes near 239,000 barrels per day. Fifth, Libya adds new supply. Libya announced a Gadanes Basin discovery testing for 7,000 barrels per day and recent Sirte Basin success. NOC output reached around 310,000 barrels per day in late October.